Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the resolution, so let's simply tap on it. And we've got two different options, so 1080p and 720p. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. It will be immediately highlighted, and it means that it has been immediately applied, and from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.